Strategy 19. Brainstorming learning. Unlock creative thinking. Customer. Ever stared at a blank page, waiting for ideas to appear? What if there was a simple way to spark creativity and learn faster? That's where brainstorming learning comes in. Retention. Brainstorming isn't just for business meetings, it's a powerful learning tool. First, it generates ideas quickly. No judgment, just free flow of thoughts. Retention. Second, it encourages diverse thinking. You explore multiple angles instead of sticking to one solution. Third, it reduces mental blocks. Writing down ideas clears space for new ones. Engagement. 1. Active participation. You're not passively absorbing information, you're creating it. 2. Collaboration. Sharing ideas with others sparks insights you might never think of alone. Strategy. Start by setting a timer for quick idea bursts, 5 minutes, no filters, just right. Next, group and refine your ideas. Turn raw thoughts into actionable steps for projects, study plans, or problem solving. Strategy 20. Field trips and site visits. Learning beyond the classroom. Scenario. Ever wondered why the most memorable lessons often happen outside the classroom? That's the power of field trips and site visits, bringing learning to life through real-world experiences. Task. Field trips and site visits aren't just about leaving school, they're about connecting theory to reality. First, choose a location that matches your learning goals, a museum, factory, or natural site. Task. Second, plan objectives. What should participants observe, ask, or record? Third, prepare resources, guides, checklists, or questions to make the visit purposeful. Action. 1. Engage actively during the visit, take notes, ask questions, and interact with experts. 2. Capture observations, photos, sketches, or recordings help reinforce learning later. Result. First, it boosts engagement and curiosity. Seeing concepts in action makes them stick. Second, it develops practical understanding. Students learn how things work in real life, not just in theory.